Today I'm going to make a fresh strawberry pie. One of my family's favorites and one of mine. So let's get started. On Darlene's table. I'm starting with 2 cups of sliced strawberries, washed and hulled, to make my strawberry puree, which will come out to about a cup after it's pureed. I've added 1 cup of water to the puree, to the 1 cup of puree. It's 1 cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 3-ounce package of Jell-O, strawberry Jell-O. All right, so we're going to mix all the dry ingredients well, and you'll probably have to use your hands like I'm doing to get all the lumps out. All right, now I'm adding the cup of water and the cup of puree. I'm going to start cooking this over a medium heat until it starts to get thick. Whisk it until it's all incorporated. I continue to whisk it through the cooking process. It takes, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. You'll know it starts to get thick, but you don't want it super thick. You'll be able to tell. All right, that's the right thickness. Now we'll set it aside to cool for a little bit, about 15, 20 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to put the cream cheese bottom in our pie crust. All right, 8 ounces of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of sugar and about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And of course, vanilla bean paste. Beat until it's smooth and creamy. I'm going to spread this around the pie crust evenly. This is such a nice addition to the strawberry pie. Everyone just loves it. Here we go with the strawberry halves. I'm layering the strawberries, and in between each layer, I will put the puree mixture, the gel puree mixture, over each layer. And then if there's any left, I will put that over the top, putting extra strawberries in the gaps. There we go. So I used a total of 4 cups of strawberries. I'm going to put a few extra strawberries in. This is the 11-inch pie. So refrigerate this pie for a minimum of 6 hours. Isn't that pretty? And it's so good, and that cream cheese layer in the bottom is just an extra touch. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, do us a favor and click the like button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. We hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.